Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature the most popular hair color trends that we're going to be seeing this fall 2023 season. First up, we have this golden brown hair shade. This is an absolutely stunning hair color, and she does have the bixie style haircut, really tying in two popular trends in one. And then we have someone with a gorgeous undercut. Now she is rocking the colored bang trend. That's where you're gonna dye your bangs a different color from the rest of your hair and really create some contrast. So here is another nod to the contrasting hair color trend. We are going to be seeing a lot of platinum mixed with black or blonde mixed with brown. It's a great way to play around with some color and of course draw some attention to your eyes. Another trend that has managed to make a comeback this season is ombre. Followed by money piece highlights. And then we have one of my personal favorite hair color trends, and that is color blocked hair. Dyeing your hair in different sections of bold color. Next up, we have ginger and copper color strands. Followed by beige blonde. And then we have the undercolor trend. This is another way to rock out that color blocked style. And then in general, we are going to be seeing a lot of bold colors this season. Another huge trend for this fall 2023 season will be the look of red hues. Another huge trend for 2023 will be the look of platinum and bright blonde. And then of course we have a trend that has been circulating for quite a few seasons now, and that is split dyed hair. Last on our list is the pop of color trend. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.